Let's watch Raja's Seat. Raja's Seat is a culturally significant site and tourist attraction in Madikeri of Koorg District. It offers stunning vistas, particularly during sunrise and sunset. The vantage point provides a clear view of the misty hills and lush green landscape. This place was used by the kings and the queens of Kodagu, who were the rulers of Karnataka for over 200 years from 1600 to 1834 AD. It was a favorite place of recreation for the Rajas. It is a luxury holiday destination in Madikeri in Karnataka. It is known for its natural beauty and serene atmosphere. Madikeri is 270 kilometers from Bangalore. It is 119 kilometers from Mysore. It is very close to Madikeri Bus Stand. It is open on all the days from 5:30 am to 8 pm. In addition to toy train, there is amusement area for children. Entry ticket is 5 rupees per person. Ticket for toy train is rupees 20. In the evenings, you can enjoy musical fountain. Raja's Seat is an ideal place for nature lovers. For children, you have adventure activities too. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.